You are going to love the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find navigation system, voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.